Here we are at our latest listing on PALL Mall. This is a great three-way split. You have got 2 bedrooms here right as you enter that are adjoined by this wonderful bathroom here. Look at that, nice single sink, nice wide open. And then in the front here, you've got a great window that gives you a good view out to the front. And the nice thing is as you come back down the hallway here, you have an additional bedroom that is off to the side. This could be used as an office, a guest room. With that mural there, you feel like you're at the beach. So here we are in the room. Back out, you're gonna have a spacious laundry room, lots of room in there. You could hang up some cabinets if you wanted. This is one of the best features here. Look at this kitchen. A beautiful kitchen that is opened up to the dining area and the living area. So this is a nice open space for entertaining. This community is a resort style community. You could use this house as a income property if you wanted to be able to rent it out. They do allow short-term rentals here. You could use it as your second home. There's a beautiful pool. Make sure you see our other pictures. Absolutely beautiful resort style pool, a little fishing area. The community here handles all of the outside maintenance as well. So beautifully done bathroom with 2 sinks, and you have a shower for your convenience. If you'd like to set up an appointment to see this property, give us a call, 321-689-8339. Take one more look at this beautiful kitchen.